Proplastics Limited is Zimbabwe's leading plastic pipe manufacturer, specializing in the production of polyvinyl chloride, high-density polyethylene, low-density polyethylene pipes, and related fittings. The pipes are manufactured for various applications in irrigation, water and sewer reticulation, mining, telecommunications, and building construction. Proplastics Limited was established in 1965 and has over 50 years of experience in manufacturing a complete range of plastic pipes and fittings in Zimbabwe, with a significant market share in the SADC region.
These are exciting times for us as we grow the business, as we grow our capacity, and we are so excited in growing the capacity of our business, and as we introduce this new setup, the new line, the KMD 9036 is a set of high-tech equipment that we have brought into our system, and we're looking at major growth in our outputs, major growth in our performance as a business.
Proplastics is certified to the ISO 9001-2008 quality standard by the South African Bureau of Standards. ISO 9001-2008 is an internationally recognized tool used to keeping all functions within the organization in check in terms of consistently ensuring that a total package of quality products and superior services is offered to its customers.
Well, with this new machine, I think probably it will give us considerable output, up of about 300 tons per month, which is quite a significant improvement from what we're currently producing. With the current new technology which this machine has, we're going to save on electricity consumption. So our electricity used per kg or per ton is going to reduce significantly by close to 50%. We're also going to improve on our turnaround efficiency in terms of delivery to our services to the customers.
Our organization is certified against ISO 14001 of 2015 and OSHA's 18001 of 2007. We value the environment that we operate in and our employees. To show our commitment to this, we've got a documented shame management system in place that emphasizes the identification of hazards and aspects within our activities and processes. We then make sure we've got management programs in place that are there to reduce the exposure of our employees to the identified hazards and aspects. We also take a proactive approach with regards to the management of the safety, health, and the environment of our activities and processes. We do comprehensive risk assessment when purchasing new materials and equipment, so that we don't introduce new risks and impacts through the purchasing of such.
Each stage of production is crucial to providing high-quality products, which is why we follow set guidelines to all stages of manufacture, from raw material selection to testing and continuous maintenance of the quality standards. Thus, the main product lines are all registered under specific product mark schemes to ensure production of high-quality products as guided by the respective standards.
Proplastics actually has been now in business for the past 51 years. In June 2015, we decided to unbundle Proplastics from Masimba to follow our own core efficiencies and competencies, that is in terms of manufacturing, and also to attract and recapitalize the business to also go into strategic partnership and acquisitions as we deem fit.
I joined Proplastics in July last year, soon after the listing on the stock exchange after the unbundling from Masimba Holdings Limited. I joined a vibrant team at Proplastics, which had already embarked on a plant modernization program, and had actually brought in quite an amount of equipment in a bid to modernize the factory. And it was very clear one thing we had to do was to improve on our efficiencies, and we could not only rely on the Zimbabwean market but also look at the region in general. And so I'm very excited. I can see bright months and years ahead as we utilize this equipment, and it makes work exciting for our employees, and it definitely shows up our presence in the market.
We have a careful selection process
that identify and place the best talent in different roles in our organization. Moreover, we enhance our employee skills through various training programs or skills upgrade programs. In those programs, they impart relevant specific skills to enhance the competencies of different functions of our organization.
My name is Kudakwasha Mandea. I'm currently attached under Quality Assurance Department. This department has taught me a lot. I have learned that quality is at the heart of the company, and I look forward to joining this department after completion of my program.
The new PVC line will definitely expose our employees to new technology that is benchmarked to the world-class standards. We are a winning team at Proplastics as we encourage the participation of all our employees in our organizational goals.
The success of this business going forward is actually possible through the team, through the managers that we have, through the support that we have from the Proplastics board as well. We work as a team and we pull from an operational point of view. The success of this business is pinned on the performance of the managers who actually support precisely myself. The success of this business would not have been possible without the support of all the managers that we have, and who are keen, who are full of energy in pulling this business going forward. I thank them for their support.
As you are talking about this new equipment, for it to be here at Proplastics because of the procurement process, starting from the acquisition stage up to the point where the machine is now here and is now fully commissioned. The PVC 9 takes a lot of raw material in terms of consumption. So in terms of procurement, it's key for us to make sure that raw materials are readily available to fit into that machine so that all the expected levels of production are actually achieved.
As Proplastics, we keep getting better, providing our clients with world-class plastic pipes and fittings. We have a very active research and development team which always strive to meet and exceed the customers' expectations, thus leaving them delighted all the time, all the way throughout our value chain. We manufacture our products in a controlled environment, meaning to say we have invested in a number of product certifications.
When I came to Proplastics, I could see that Proplastics was a sleeping giant. It had so much potential, being established in 1965, had so much in terms of capital investment in the business, and was raring to go. Yes, we had problems within the country, which everybody else is facing, competition, raw materials, procurement, as well as just general uptake of the product. But as Proplastics, we're not looking at crying about how the economy is like or where our next sale is going to come from, because that's why we are sitting down, discussing, sharing ideas, bouncing ideas of each other, come up to formidable strategies that will help the business grow forward. My portfolio hinges upon business development, business growth, developing markets for the current business that we're doing right now. And looking at what we've been doing so far, we hold the biggest market share in terms of PVC pipe and HDPE pipe manufacturing. We would like to have presence in all of these areas and have key branding, key understanding of our product in every facet of the business.
What impact is this line going to give us? We're looking at a 50% growth in our output rate. That is going to boost us well in keeping up with our orders, keeping our stocks at level, supplying the market with even a better product and better quality.
Our focus, service orientation and drive are to deliver exceptional customer delight at all customer touchpoints. The Proplastics Service Charter hinges on the backbone of our product offering, which is reliable, durable, and affordable. Our mission is to deliver world-class piping systems to the consumer. Our recommendation is that with your next purchase, invest in pipe systems of choice, invest in Proplastics pipe systems that last.